Sissy doesn't carry me, I'm going to be mad. I'm going to be mad. There's no way out. Okay, I'm executing the Leland. Okay, I'm executing the Leland. One jumped out the front window. Okay, she got her. Got him. Wait, why didn't they just try opening one of the front doors? Wait, why'd they do that? That was really stupid. Surprised Connie hasn't opened the back gate. I mean, all Connie has to do is like use her ability on one door and we're fucked.
Connie is still in the basement from what it looks like.
Okay. Need to feed Grandpa. It's still open too, okay. So now I know which doors they are open. Yeah, she's in the basement. She's kind of like by cold room, I think. Alright, we're gonna get exterior and then I'll go down there and flush her out or whatever. So we all got a kill. Nice. That's really good actually. Spreads all the blood. Okay, so I think all these doors are shut, right? Okay, so she's probably going outside garden, I think. This might be open. Nope, it's not. Okay. So is she just gonna hide in the basement all game? Found them, I knew I'd find them. I don't think that this Connie knows the basement or something? Oh, excuse me. Make sure, Sissy, make sure you shut doors because we have exterior alarms. Oh, she's in the cold room. She's right here. She's in the cold room. There you go. Alright, I got her. GG. Motorbow. Bro, you gonna let me back inside? The fuck? Come on out, little piggy. Gotcha. GG easy, GG easy, GG easy. Got him. I think the Leland's still up here somewhere. Yeah, he went back down actually. Did he just go back down? $650 points. Man, I got 2 kills. Nice. I should have been breaking these doors already. Oh, one of them came back down and got the fuse. Oh, there he is. Oh, this is so laggy. Bitch. He went back. Oh no, he went this way. Okay, he's right here. Oh, just the tip. Motorboat. Hell yeah, brother.